Here's a quick tip for you guys. When locking the vehicle on a Mark 4 A4 Golf Jetta New Beetle, the horn should audibly beep once. Okay, you can obviously turn that off and on with VAGCOM VCDS when you unlock it. This one has got the horn turned off, but the lights flash, so you can turn the horn on, or the horn setting on, so that it'll beep twice to unlock. But most people want it off so that they don't disturb anybody when they unlock the car in the morning, early in the morning. Anyways, the point here is if you ever lock your vehicle, the lights flash but there's no beep. That means the car is waiting, or the alarm module or the central locking module, central convenience module is waiting for something to close. It thinks that one of the doors is open. So if you don't hear a beep, go around and check all your doors. First of all, make sure none of them actually open up. You can have a faulty door lock module that will prevent the door from opening, meaning that it locks, but the micro switch that tells the module that the door is closed could be bad. So it can fit, even if the doors are all locked, you could still have a door lock module problem. Same thing with the rear hatch. If you unlock the rear hatch, okay, so it just blinked. I can open it now. As soon as you close it now, you should hear an audible beep, which you don't. So that tells me that the micro switch in here, or possibly the wiring in the looms here, is broken. So we're just going to wait. I'm going to insert a timer. Basically, the system will time out after a given amount of time. I think it's at least a couple of minutes, and then it'll beep. Even the light right now, it's supposed to be blinking, meaning that the car is armed, but like I said, the module doesn't register that the rear hatch is closed, so it doesn't arm itself, but it will. So we're just going to give it some time. I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to wait extensively long, but you'll see the lights blinking and you'll hear an audible beep when it decides to lock. And I got a phone call. I'm not going to answer that. I think it's been about a minute right now. Just going to wait a little longer. And I should mention that the whole time that it hasn't beeped yet, I could open up this hatch right now, because the locking module didn't reposition the lock rod. So right now I could basically still unlock it, but I'm just going to hold off here. Once it blinks and beeps, I can no longer open the hatch. Okay, it just beeped. It didn't blink the lights, but you can see here that that's okay, and back here now it's locked. So I'm just going to unlock it again. So the lights are blinking. Okay. And like I said, now it has to wait again to time out. I can open it as many times as I want. When the car is locked and you close the trunk, right away it's supposed to lock so that you cannot open it. So it's right now going through its timer again. Okay, thanks for watching. I forgot to mention that once the car thinks that everything is locked, including the trunk, it'll lock or beep every single time right away. Okay, I think that made sense. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.